from IELTS 9. Let's do this reading. That reading name is Solar Eclipse. In simple steps, I will explain you how to do IELTS reading, whether the reading is difficult or easy. Okay, so same strategy you need to apply in every reading actually. So first of all, don't read anything from the paragraph, means passage. First we will take the targets from the question statement. Okay, so here it is given 20 minutes. You should spend 20 minutes on questions 1 to 13, which are based on reading passage below. Okay, so here if it is reading passage number 1, please do not spend 20 minutes on reading number 1. At least 15 to 16 minutes. If you are weak in this reading, then at least 18 minutes, not more than that. Okay. And computer based IELTS exam reading is really easy. Opt for computer based IELTS exam. I am telling you, this is much easier to select, because in CBT exam you can see on the left side text is there, means reading passage is there, and on the right side you can see the questions. And when you are doing pen paper reading, you have to scroll the pages. So it's a small booklet having 3 reading passages. You have to scroll the page here and like that. So it is more easier. CBT computer based IELTS exam is more easier. Let's take a look at the types of questions. And one more thing, I have all PDFs of all recent IELTS exams. You can say 23 also, 2023, 2024, 2025 and 2026 till May. I have collection of all types of exam. You can always ask me on WhatsApp. So first type of question you can recognize. Choose the correct letter A, B, C or D. Or you can see the performer of type of question. It is multiple choice question. Now second type of question, I can see list of people. Third type of question, it is matching features. If you say, then how can it become a reading passage 1? Yes, this is reading passage 1. Some students had reported about solar eclipse in this exam. So I am not claiming that this was the exact reading passage, but some reading passages you must have seen lot of dates are there. So sometimes it is difficult to find dates and persons here. Let's start with first type of question. So first question, as we have discussed, this is multiple choice question. Okay, multiple choice questions are there. How to do these questions? First we will read the question statement. Question number 1 says, when the moon completely obscures, the sun is called. Okay, so this word we will take it as a keyword, moon also and sun also, but we will not read any option first. First we will go to the location of this question number 1, and of course this is first type of question and this is first question. Definitely we will start looking from the first paragraph. Okay, so we will of course you must be thinking that we do not know the meaning of this obscures. Doesn't matter. Okay, when the moon completely dash, the sun is called dash. Okay, let's find in first paragraph. A solar eclipse, as seen, is a type of eclipse that occurs when the moon passes between sun and earth, when the moon fully or partially blocks the suns. A solar eclipse is a type of eclipse that occurs, means it's a definition, when the moon passes between the sun and earth. Okay, when the moon fully or partially blocks the sun. Here they are talking about moon and sun. It means completely blocks. It means blocks the sun. I think they are talking obscures means here blocks the sun. So it means this is solar eclipse they are talking. This can happen only at a new moon, when the sun and the moon are in conjunction as seen from the earth. Okay, so our location of question number 1 from here to here. So we have got the answer. When the moon completely blocks the sun, this is solar eclipse. So first they are saying a total lunar eclipse. No, it here in first sentence, in first word, they are talking about solar eclipse. A total solar eclipse, an annular eclipse, it is also not explained like that. A partial solar eclipse. So we will select B number with question number 1. Here it is clearly given a solar eclipse is a type, means definition they are giving in two conditions, that occurs when moon passes between sun and earth and when the moon fully or partially blocks the sun. So this question they are talking fully, here means completely. So question number 2, there are not eclipse more often because there are not eclipse more often because okay not in a total eclipse the disk of the sun is fully, oh yes, same word is also there. See this, I have understood the question statement from here, but here proper location is also there. In a total eclipse the disk of the sun is fully obscured by the moon. So here it is total eclipse, and in first sentence they were talking about solar eclipse, definition of solar eclipse. Of course they were talking moon also, sun also, but proper location is here in a total eclipse. Okay, but here if you try to find this location also, you will not get a total solar eclipse. That's why I have selected the location from answer from first sentence, but you can find it from this sentence also. Now second, we were looking for not. If the moon were in a perfectly circular orbit a little closer to the earth and in the same orbital plane, there would be a total solar eclipse every month. Okay, so they are there would, so they are, if conditional sentence is there. If the moon were in a perfectly circular orbit means they actually it is not there, they are just thinking about it. If the moon were in a perfectly circular orbit a little closer to the earth and in the same orbital plane, there would be total solar eclipse every month. Now the question is, there are not eclipse more often because however since the moon's orbit is tilted at, now here they were doing some assumptions. If that happened, then it would be more total solar eclipse every month, more solar eclipse every month, but it is not a condition like that. However, since the moon's orbit is tilted at more than 5 degrees to the earth orbit around the sun, its shadow usually misses the earth. The main reason they are talking, the moon's orbit just crosses earth ecliptic plane in order for this, and this, in addition, the moon's actual orbit is elliptical, often taking it far enough from the earth that its apparent size is not large enough. Okay, I have read so many things here. Let's read the options. There are not eclipse more often because the moon's orbit is not circular. Okay, so here they are imagining that if the moon were in a perfectly circular orbit, it means this is not an option. Here it is given the moon's orbit is not circular, means yes, it is not circular. The moon is, yes, it is not circular. Here it is given, yes, it can be. So here, if the moon were in a perfectly circular orbit, it means it is not a circular. The moon is not in the correct orbital plane. So here it is also given like that in these lines. Yes, tilted at more than 5 degrees. This also we can select. The perceived size of the moon changes due to its orbit. Size also they are talking. The moon's orbit must cross 5 degrees kind of size. There size, I think they are talking. Actual orbit is here, a size word is here. It means everything they are talking. So it means answer will be all of the above. Every answer is explained here in these lines. So answer is all of the above. Third question, eclipses were often interrupted. Okay, eclipses were often, sorry, it is not interrupted, it is interpreted. It is interpreted. Interpreted means someone is saying good, someone is saying wrong. So interpreted means in any sense we can take it as. Let's shift the page first. So we have gone through up to B paragraph. Now we will be reading third C number paragraph for third number question. Is were often interpreted, means some personal things are there. An eclipse is a natural phenomenon. However, in some ancient and modern cultures, solar eclipse were attributed to supernatural causes or regarded as bad omens. Okay. A total solar eclipse can be frightening to people who are unaware of its astronomical explanation, as the sun seems to disappear during the day and the sky darkens in a matter of minutes. Okay. So, eclipses were often interpreted differently by different races. It is not explained by anything like that. Different races means some community name. It is not given like that. As harbingers of doom. What is the meaning of this? As harbingers of doom. This, I think, phrase or proverb is this. If I am not wrong. So, as religious events. So, are they talking about religious kind of thing? Solar eclipse in modern cultures. In some ancient and modern cultures, solar eclipse were attributed to supernatural causes or regarded as bad omens. I think B, it is they are talking like that, I think, but they are not talking here. It is not described like as religious event. It is not like that. By superstitious people. Superstitious people also not explained like that. Can be frightened to people who are unaware. Means who are illiterate about this astronomical explanation and all. But that we can't combine the things like superstitious people now. So this will also not come. So of course B will come. Because we have tried to match, we have tried to find these A, C and D. So they are not explaining, writer is not explaining like that. Only B is left. It means regarded as bad omens. I think bad giants or bad persons, like you can say. In my language it is negative energy, you can say. Negative energy, or in my language some words are different. So solar eclipse were attributed. I think this word is, they are attributed to supernatural causes or regarded as bad omens. So this is the location for B number.